Stillman College has stood for 150 years as a beacon of excellence, faith, and opportunity. Today, that legacy takes a bold step forward. The RAMP strategic plan sets two clear targets: a 70% increase in freshman enrollment and a 20% annual increase in alumni giving. The redesigned Stillman.edu is built to meet both goals directly, measurably, and immediately. Every page of the new website carries a persistent Apply Now button. Whether a prospective student is reading about academics, exploring campus life, or reviewing financial aid, the path to enrollment is always one click away. The new site speaks directly to Stillman's target demographics. Dedicated landing pages serve veterans, transfer students, dual enrollment candidates, and international applicants, each with tailored messaging and a clear call to action. The interactive program finder puts all 22 degree programs at a student's fingertips. Each program card displays career outcomes, giving families the confidence they need to choose Stillman. The Financial Aid Estimator removes one of the biggest barriers to enrollment. Built on Stillman's actual IPEDS data, it gives families a real-time estimate of their net cost before they ever submit an application. For alumni giving, the 150th anniversary campaign is front and center. The Ways to Give page features a live progress bar, 6 designated fund areas, monthly recurring gift options, and corporate matching. Everything needed to move a donor from interest to commitment. The Alumni Hub connects graduates to the institution they love. With a searchable directory, mentorship signups, and an events calendar, it creates the ongoing engagement that drives long-term giving. The new design system, navy blue, gold, Playfair display, and Inter, honors Stillman's heritage while projecting the confidence of an institution ready for its next 150 years. All 18 UX and UI recommendations from the RAMP Strategic Review are implemented. The site has passed 38 automated quality tests and is ready for client review. Phase 2 will connect the front end to Canvas, Illusion Banner, and Liaison CAS, delivering the live student data, CRM automation, and donor record accuracy the RAMP plan requires. Stillman College's digital transformation is not on the horizon. It is here. We invite your review of the live mockup and look forward to your feedback.